of the biggest mistakes for self-directed investors is hearing that a market is overbought or a stock is overvalued and thinking that that means sell. It doesn't mean sell. And fundamental analysis, which is flawed anyway because it makes a host of assumptions that generally can't be made and change every day, can't be relied on, but still you get analysts that are saying something or commentators saying that something's overvalued, and the implication is you need to sell it. Let me just tell you that some of the best bits of the market are when the market or a share price goes exponential before the world wakes up to the fact it's overvalued. So before the 87 crash, sorry, aging myself there, before the 87 crash, the Australian market went up something like 100% in just over a year. And that's what caused the crash. And yes, it was overvalued, and it was overvalued for probably the last 80% of that rally. And you would have seen commentators, newspapers, brokers saying it's overvalued compared to history. And a lot of people would have been wagging their fingers saying it's all going to end in tears and telling you to effectively sell, when that would have lost you one of the best money-making opportunities in stock market history. And the lesson is you need to know when something's overvalued but not do anything about it, because you want the crowd to lose its head. You want it to be doing 200 miles an hour with its hair on fire in one direction. You can exploit that. All you have to do is spot when it changes. So in the 87 crash, you could see the selling started. In the big tech complex at the moment, the average PE for the Magnificent Six is over 30 times. The long run average is 22 times on the S&P 500. Last 10 years, it's been 25 to 30 times. So yeah, it's overvalued. Do you sell it? No, you don't sell it. You sell it when everybody decides to do something about it being overvalued. So for the moment, we're running with big tech. We're happy that it's overvalued. We want to exploit everybody losing their heads and pushing the prices higher. It's a great theme. It could run for a long time yet before the herd wakes up to the fact that it's overvalued. And from the elevated levels, from high altitude, the air gets thin, it gets easy to pass out. All you need to recognize is the air's getting thin. You don't need to bail out of the aeroplane yet. So we're just waiting for everybody to agree that they need to sell because it's overvalued. We already know it's overvalued, but you don't sell.